Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to delete contacts on your phone. So let's get started. So if you're trying to delete contacts on your phone, now to do that what you have to do is follow some easy steps. First, open up your contacts. So in search bar you can search for contacts and you can open up your contacts application. And after opening up your contacts from here, you just have to tap on contacts which is on the bottom, and you can find the following contacts that are in your device. Now if you want to delete a contact, then what you have to do is just simply select it, and after selecting that contact, now in order to delete it, just simply tap on the three dotted icon which is on the top right, and after doing that you will find delete option. Just simply tap on delete and then again tap on delete, and after doing that the contact has been deleted successfully. So in this way you can also delete your contact. So that's it guys, is how to delete your contacts on your phone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.